Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bethany and today I thought I would do a comparison video on the Polene Numero Nano and the Coach Cassie 19. So I know they are not the same, but they are very similar in size. They fit about the same. They're very similar in price. So yeah, I thought this would give you a good idea if you were looking at either one of these. If that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. We will start with the Polène bag, and this is textured calf leather. Let's see if it'll focus. All right. And the dimensions are in centimeters. So it is 20.5 centimeters in length, 17 centimeters in height, and 9 centimeters in width. And to open it, you just pull this down, flip the top up. There are two buttons that you just unbutton. And then inside, it's just one compartment with a slip pocket. And then on the back, there is a little slip pocket here, but it's pretty small, so I don't really ever use that. And then it does have a adjustable, removable strap. So there you go. And on the website right now, this is going for $380. Okay, so for the Coach Cassie 19, this is a polished pebble leather. And it is 7 3/4 inches in length, 6.5 inches in height, and 3 1/4 inches in width. So for this one, it has a back pocket, a back slip pocket. And this you just twist to open. And it has 3 compartments in here. This front one, this main one with a zipper compartment, and then this small slip pocket in the back. And this one comes with 3 different handles. This is just like a handheld. Comes with a chain shoulder strap, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. And right now on Coach's website, it is going for $295. So after taxes and everything, the Polène is about $100 more, probably around there. So, but if you can see, they are very similar in size, just looking at them. Polène does have feet, and the Polène also has a top handle, just already there. This one, you can keep this one on and then add the crossbody strap and then just leave this hanging over if you would like. I usually just do one strap at a time. And now I will show you mod shots. We will start with the Polène. This is on the longest setting, and I'm about 5'3.5", 5'4". And this is where it hits me on my frame. So this is the longest it goes. You can shorten it. So if you like it like a shorter bag, you can. If you're taller than me, I mean, if you're slimmer than me, it probably would hit about the same, but if you're any taller than me, I don't know, it'd be pretty short on your hip, but if you like that, I would go for it. And then this is same length. I haven't adjusted it or anything, just on my shoulder. And then you can always just hold it handheld like this. And that's also cute. So that is this. You can also take the straps off if you want and put like a chain. I've done a chain before. You could get like a guitar strap or something that you would want to make the strap a little bit longer to fit your body, but this is so cute. Also, if you can hear my dog sleeping, he's like almost 12 years old and he's just a loud sleeper, so we're just gonna ignore that. Onto the Coach Cassie. This is just a handheld one. I usually wear it like this if I use the strap. I honestly don't know if I've ever even used this strap, to be quite honest with you, but this would be cute for like if you're wearing a dress and you just want like a little handheld bag. So this is the chain strap. It does fit over your shoulder like so. Then this is the crossbody. I have this about right in the center of the holes. So this is where it hits on me. You can do it shorter or longer. So cute. And I'll do a comparison on the lengths of the bag. So this one's a little bit longer right now. This is the Polène, this is the longest the Polène can go. So this one still can go shorter or longer. But just so you can see the comparison of them. Okay, so for the Polène bag, I have a lip gloss and lip liner. I always keep that right here in the back pocket. I have my card holder and my keys. Could do a hand sanitizer. My phone. Some mints. Could do a little hand lotion and deodorant. You still have room in there. That's pretty much all I would carry in here, but you could probably put some sunglasses right on top. And it closes. Okay, so I can take these 3 same items and I put these in the front pocket. I keep my car keys and my card holder. Could do my phone. Phone usually just goes in this back pocket. Hand lotion. Some ibuprofen. And all that except for the ibuprofen is the same that fit in the Polène. The Polène could have fit that. I just forgot to put it in. And then we'll try the sunglasses. And that all fits. Okay, and that is my comparison for these bags. I feel like I should tell you which one I would prefer. The Coach Cassie has more compartments, so it's a little bit more organized, where this one just has 1 pouch. This one has 3 straps that you can do, but this one also has a removable strap that you could add a different strap to. Yeah, I don't know. Personally, I would pick the Polène bag just because it's different, it's sleek, it's beautiful, it's timeless. Not saying that this one isn't. If this was black, I honestly would probably pick this one just for the pure fact that I would use it more often. But this one, I just love this one. This one is so cute. And Polène is just a really beautiful, like classic, like classy brand. So I just think that the Polène is just more my style, and I just love that it's, you know, not a super popular brand. It is becoming popular though because the prices are increasing, so I can guarantee that's why. It's because it's becoming more popular. That is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!